Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to mark a chat as read on the WhatsApp PC app following the latest update. If you've been juggling multiple conversations and want to keep your chats organized, this trick will help you manage them effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application on your computer. You should see the familiar interface with all your recent chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, scroll through the list of chats to find the one you want to mark as read. It's super easy. Just look for the conversation that's been bugging you or a chat that you've already glanced at but didn't want to respond to just yet. Now, once you've located the chat, it's time to take action. Simply right-click on the chat. This will bring up a menu with various options that you can choose from. Finally, click on Mark as Read. And just like that, the chat will be marked as read, providing you with a neat and organized view of your messages. No more cluttered notifications. And that's all there is to it. A simple 4-step process to keep your WhatsApp chats neat and tidy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.